There are so many ways you can prepare your pasta. Let me show you how I made this easy and yummy pasta salad. And if you want to see how I achieved this, please keep watching. I'm Nancy Ogbebor and you are welcome to my channel. Okay, so my pot is on the heat. I added in water, vegetable oil, salt behind the camera, and I allowed it to boil. Then I added in my pasta and I allowed this pasta to boil for 7 to 8 minutes. Let it not be too soft so that it will not be soggy, because if it is soggy, you will not like the salad. And this is it, it's ready. And I'll be using carrot and green beans, onion diced, my boiled corn, my kidney beans, and my diced tomatoes. And this is my cucumber and the back is peeled already. My chicken, and in my bowl I'll be adding in my pasta. And this is of no order. So I'm adding in my carrots, and this was boiled for about 2 minutes. My cucumber and my kidney beans. And I'll be adding in my diced onion. As I said, it's of no order, just feel free to put what you want. And I'll add in my boiled corn. So I'll be adding in my green peas, and this was also boiled for 2 minutes. So continue this process until you exhaust all you have. So this is a complete meal. It's packed with vitamins and it is so rich. Please, if you have not subscribed till now, what are you waiting for? Help your sister out so that we'll grow to the permanent side. Okay, so I'll be adding in my diced tomatoes and my fried chicken. So to this I'll be adding in my salad dressing. Okay, with this you have a better taste. So now we'll be giving this a quick mix. So let's mix everything to combined, and look at how beautiful this is. I prepared my salad dressing using 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. You can also use olive oil for that. 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, half teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 3 tablespoons of liquid milk. Or you can actually use mayonnaise. The way I'm doing it here, you just use mayonnaise alone, not the other combination. You have your salad ready to serve, and you can serve this chilled by putting it in the refrigerator. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.